let's get into this ponytail video. It's gonna be quick. I'm gonna show you how I went to my flat ponytail to this voluptuous curly Afro ponytail. It's gonna go quick and it's gonna be cheap. Honestly, all you're gonna need is a big rubber band and maybe like 4 bobby pins. Alright, so boom, this is the hair that you're gonna need. I'm gonna link it below. Do not take the scrunchies off the end yet. We're gonna save that part for later. But for right now, we're gonna take out 2 out of the 3 bundles to make a ponytail. I'm gonna show you on 1 bundle just to show you the motion of how we're gonna make any braiding hair into a ponytail. You get your rubber band and you grab that thing by the middle, and what you're gonna do is flip it and hook one side of the rubber band through the other. See, like that. I'm taking it through and I'm gonna pull it through. Boom. That's it. First half of the ponytail is done in 23 seconds. Now, once you make sure it's tight and in the middle, now you take off the scrunchies on the end and you're gonna spring the hair out. Do not leave that poodly looking in. Like, we don't want to look like poodles. We want to look like bad bitches with springy hair. So spring out the ends. Also keep in mind this is braiding hair. Do not comb or brush this ponytail or it will look like a bird's nest. Also, when springing out these ponytails, I try not to do any overkill because you're still going to have to fluff it and kind of customize it once it's on your head. Hey, here's where the magic happens, your last 12 seconds. By the way, this is my actual ponytail that goes on my head. I use 2 bundles for this ponytail, so 2 out of the 3 pieces. So for the next clip, I'm going to show you how I attach it. My fingers are going to represent my little ponytail in the back of my head. So now your ponytail is basically going to serve as like a hair scrunchie. It's like an Afro scrunchie. So the actual rubber band part that's exposed, you're going to wrap around your ponytail. Put it on top, not under. Once you put that on top and secure your ponytail, I like to add a pin at 4 points. And I even go back under and I'll add a rubber band on like my little bun to like secure it. I'll show you. So I'm going to turn around here and show you guys. You see my little bun in the back? I take some hair, cover it, and I lash that rubber band on because the last thing you want is that ponytail flying off. This ponytail can be done high, low, and pigtails, but any type of braiding hair, just make sure you find something that's close to your texture. I found this to be perfect for my 4C hair. I hope that this helps you guys out. Please like this video if you watched it, if you found it helpful, whatever. Don't be a hater and dislike it. Like the video and subscribe and comment for more. Oh yeah, and make sure you fluff it. All right, bye for real now.